In this tip of the day, I'd like to demonstrate how you can accurately and quickly locate such items as cap screws and clamps to help supplement your toolpath simulation. In this example, I've already created a cap screw. The first thing I want to point out is that at the very bottom of the cap screw and at the center of the cap screw, I've created a point. We're going to use that point to help us locate the cap screw. Very important. The next important thing to note is that I've created all the geometry on a separate layer called cap screw. And of course, you can name this layer anything that you'd like, but it is important to give it a distinctive name. All right, let's save our cap screw. I'm going to click the File, Save As, and I'm going to save it in a folder called Fixture. In fact, I'm going to overwrite this geometry I created earlier just by double-clicking, and we'll click Yes on that. All right, now let's open up another part file. All right, so what we want to do is we want to locate those cap screws at the center of each one of those holes. Now, if I quickly hide the solid model, you'll notice that I have circles created exactly where those holes are. That's also going to play a big part in locating the cap screws accurately. So here's how we do it. We're going to move up to the upper left corner of the screen, select File, Merge File. Merge will allow you to merge geometry into existing geometry without deleting anything. Let's select our cap screw. As soon as we do that, the cap screw is merged and there's a brand new layer called cap screw. Now to locate the cap screws, we're going to select the cap screw by using the layer selection tool just by clicking on that little square. And now we can head up here to Move Copy. And now I'm going to grab that point at the very center and bottom of the cap screw. I'm going to left click that. And now I can simply snap the center of those circles that we extracted from the main body, from the main solid body. When we're finished, we no longer need that original cap screw, so I can hit the delete key on the keyboard to delete that. And why don't we quickly go into Preview Toolpath. I'm going to right hand mouse click, Preview Toolpath. And now you can see how such items as cap screws, clamps, and things like that can really supplement your toolpath simulation. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.